and that trash can. Hey guys, Krystal here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and do a what's in my bag video. You guys, I am so far behind on this video. I usually do it every single season, but it's been like 7 months since I've done it, and I'm so surprised because I filmed a what's in my bag. I have no idea how many times I filmed it. So this is my bag. I got it for like 20 bucks at Tilly's. The only thing about it is that it's a big black hole. There's no inside organization at all, but there is one pocket and a outside pocket, which I do always like the outside pockets. It's black. It's not that heavy, but this has been wow, this has been one of my favorite bags to use, and I've been using it for over a month now. So I do like this bag, and I do switch out my bags a lot. So a few reasons why I do like this bag is because it is now flexible. When I first got it, it is like a faux leather. With any kind of like faux leathers, they come a little bit stiff at first, but once you wear it in, they get to be very, very soft. So at least the ones that I have, you just have to know how to pick them. It does have double zippers, which I very much appreciate. You just have no idea how great it is to have that. So I guess we'll start with the outside pocket first, because yeah, this is basically where I have like my go-to items, kind of like for touch-ups. So there's a lot of makeup inside of here. Well, not a lot, but you know, mostly makeup, whatever. I have a fragrance oil. This one is Waters of Paris. This is like a little Tarte lip paint. I think this is in Darling. Oh, Delish. So I have a clear lip gloss, and this is basically whenever I want to put something on really quick, I'll put a little bit of the liquid lipstick and smear it out with this. Mascara. This one just came in a Boxycharm, I believe. It's not the best, but I like it for my brows. This is new. This is like a lip plumper. It's very pigmented. This is my favorite setting spray. You guys should try this. It has SPF, and it's really, really good for the skin, especially where I live because the sun is crazy. Some hand cream. Take care of your hands. They age very badly, like compared to everything else. And I also have dry eye drops because I do suffer from very dry eye. So that's all that I have in here. Normally I do have that little adapter for the iPhones for an aux cord in here too, but apparently I left it in my car. So that's that. We're gonna go ahead and go into the next pocket. In all honesty, this is what my bag looks like right now. We're not really cleaning it out because everything is just gonna go back in here. I do have all of my IPSY bags and Play by Sephora's in here, which I thought that I might utilize, but my son just went in here and disorganized it, so now I can't find anything. So the first thing in here is my wallet. It looks nothing like me or anything that I would have, but I really do like it. I keep important paperwork in the front, cash and receipts in the back, and then inside of here there is like a actual like card holder, and I keep my main cards in here and the other cards and business cards in the back. So it's nice. I do like it. Until I find another one, this would be the one that I'm using. Normally, you know how I have like a chain attaching it to my bag? Since there's not an inside pocket, there's not even like a hoop for keys, there's nothing in here, I have to just have it like dangling around. I did try to put it onto the zipper, but it prevented me from closing my bag properly. So I have these here are like the e.l.f. blotting sheets. They're really nice. YouTubers actually like told me about them and I went out and I got them. I only found them at Target, so check there before you go anywhere else. This little $2 spray, I don't know, it's there. I need to go to Victoria's Secret, and that's my backup spray. But whatever. A Walmart gift card. This here is like a little like notepad. You guys probably don't even know where this is from, but it's just like a little notepad, and I just have like my grocery list on here. I budget in here and all that stuff. So this is like a journal of scratch paper that I don't mind throwing away or whatever. So I do really like those. This is my phone. I have the iPhone X. This is a Apple sticker that came with the phone and a pop socket. This pen is one of the like G2s, but it's the navy blue. I'm trying it out. It works decent. I also have a nail file here. just in case my nail pops off, because this one already has. And I really like the glitter. I have this like protein bar. I don't like it really, so that's why it's still in the bag. If I liked it, I probably would have ate it. This gum is pretty legit. Medication. This is my favorite pen right here. You have to get it on Amazon though, but it is the bomb. Supposedly it's water resistant. A journal. This is a Moleskine pocket journal. This is my planner. This right here is basically just planning my schedule. So this is just basically like scheduling and stuff like that, and this is more like personal. Does that make sense? So this is just like memory keeping, and this is legit planning. I got this because, again, another YouTube had the same style planner, but she had the bigger one. I didn't like the layout of it because there wasn't enough space for me to write. So I got this one. Basically, I just do appointments here and then my to-do list over here. And this is what the monthly looks like. Normally, I don't like them when they are combined, but the Monday start, you know, kind of helped. I think it was only, I don't know how much this was. I think it was like about $5, and that's the style of it, and blah blah blah, if you want to screenshot it. I do like it though, and I put my own like little roller in there. I have a Walmart receipt. Deodorant. This is a like little Lush sample jar, but inside of it I have glitter silly putty. It really helps with my anxieties. It gives me something to like fiddle with, so I just take like a little bit out and I'll just be playing with it, stretching it and stuff like that, you know, kind of like a fidget cube, but not. This Bare Minerals powder, I like it for touch-ups. I think I have to replace it though because it's kind of cracking, but it's like a matte translucent powder, and then it's like a glowy powder, and I use this kabuki brush for it. All I do is I have it on its fluffiest for the entire face, then I scoot it up for like the highlight and just like dab it on. Always gotta have a tape measure. These gums hurt my jaw. I'm gonna throw them out. I got some Smarties in here, and these are basically for my boys. My nose itches. Don't judge me. These like cookie thingies, you know, like those kid cookies. These are honestly like the bomb.com. You can get them at Walmart, and they're like $2 to $3 for a big box of 12. Get them. Like, they're really, really nice. Then one of those other gums, throw that in the trash. And the last that I have in my bag is change. I actually forgot. I have side pockets. One of those like little salon clips that you use when you're cutting people's hair. That's what I use. And then I have super glue because, like I said, this nail popped off, so this entire nail doesn't belong with this set. And why the heck is it that my filing is better? Actually, I know why. On this other side, I have another receipt, except this one is from H-E-B. Okay guys, so that's it for the what's in my bag video. I really like filming these because I get to see what I'm actually carrying in here. The only bad thing is that I'm always wanting to put new things in here, so I do try to keep it clean-ish. And yes, so this is kind of like my everyday backpack. I do have a bigger Juicy Couture backpack that I carry when we have like doctor's appointments or somewhere where we're going to be for a longer period of time. But on an everyday basis, this is the bag that I use. And I do really like it because I can put it on my back. If I do want to, I can just have it like one strap, and it'll basically be like one of those, like, you know, like those arm bags or whatever. But I just put it on my back because I have one boy here, so I really do need like my arms to be free. So yes, and in dire situations, if I'm seriously feisty, I'll just have it right here. I'm just playing. I don't really wear my backpack like that. So yes, this is my everyday backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and seeing what it is that I carry around with me. If you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. You know, I get back to you guys as fast as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and click the little bell button so you can get notified of all of my videos. Yes, I think that's it, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.